The CIA Triad is a fundamental cybersecurity framework comprising confidentiality, integrity, and availability. It guides designing, evaluating, and improving cybersecurity systems, ensuring data protection and resilience against cyber threats. Confidentiality ensures that sensitive data is accessible only to authorized individuals. Key measures to ensure data confidentiality include data encryption. It ensures the protection of data during storage and transmission. Access control. It ensures strong authentication like multi-factor authentication. Physical security. It involves the securing of hardware and paper documents. Data minimization. It ensures that only essential sensitive data is collected. Secure disposal. It ensures proper disposal of unused data and hardware. Integrity ensures that the data remains accurate, consistent, and unaltered by unauthorized entities. Key measures to ensure data integrity include redundancy. It ensures that backup systems and error detection mechanisms are implemented. Encryption. It ensures the protection of data during storage and transmission. Access control. This limits modification rights only to authorized users. Monitoring and auditing. It involves tracking and auditing systems and data changes. Training. It consists of educating stakeholders on how to handle IoT systems and data securely. Availability ensures that the data and systems are accessible when needed. Key strategies include backups. It ensures that backups are stored in geographically diverse locations. Energy management. It ensures the optimization of power use in IoT systems. System maintenance. It ensures that hardware and software issues are quickly resolved. Network security. Prevent bandwidth bottlenecks and cyber attacks. Physical protection. Safeguard hardware against theft and disasters. The CIA Triad provides a comprehensive framework for defining cybersecurity requirements and designing cybersecurity systems. It provides a comprehensive approach to securing information systems, balancing confidentiality, integrity, and availability to build resilient and trustworthy cybersecurity infrastructures.